Are you planning to change your cooking oil because of high cholesterol or insulin resistance? Let me suggest you can prefer the cold press oil versus the refined oils, because refined oils are manufactured at very high degrees, losing their nutrients, and they are rich in saturated fatty acids, which is harmful for your heart. The cold press oils are manufactured at very low degrees, keeping the nutrients intact, and they are rich in mono and polyunsaturated fatty acids, helping you reduce the cholesterol levels, the triglycerides levels, and reduction of insulin resistance, which can help you in diabetes control as well.